Okay, this video is for the operations of this laser welding machine. Now, first of all, let me make a brief introduction of this machine. And this is the main machine of the laser welder. And this smaller one is the water cleaner. And then we will decrease some small parts of the two machines. Here you can see one white and one black wire line. And this is the main power wire of the laser welder. And this black one is the main power wire of this water cleaner. And this one is a switch. And this is a single phase machine, so you just need to find a plug for these wires. And before you use the machine, we need to make some preparations. And here you can see two water pipes. And you need to collect them. This is the water in, water out pipe. And here we have a clamp. When you install this water pipe in this collector, and then fix them very hardly with this clamp, in case the water will flow out. This side operation is the same. And here there are some collectors. This one is the wire for collecting the water cleaner and the laser welder. And this one is the foot switch wire. Okay, after we know all the wires and the small parts of these two machines, then we can start to use the machine. And for some adding, this is the LED display screw, and this is the microscope. Okay, now let's start the machine. First, let's put this plug on this power solid. And first, we need to start the water cleaner machine first. Here, you can see a turn on and off button. Press it for some seconds. And the machine will start. Okay, let's continue. After you start the water cleaner machine, then we can start the laser welding machine. Yeah, this is the switch for this laser welding machine. When you turn right, the machine will start. And you can see this LED display screen is starting. During this, let's see some parts of the machine inside. Yeah, here there is a red emergency button, and this is the light switch for this microscope light. When you press it, the light will turn on. And the small one is for adjust the light. When you turn left, it will be dark. When you turn right, it will be bright, dark, bright. And this shrink is for adjusting the parameters on the display. When you turn right, it will decrease. When you turn left, it will decrease. And the up and down is for selections. Okay, let's see this LED display screen. Here you can see this off, on, parameter, light, and other selection buttons. And when this red charging direction means the machine is still during the starting and not ready to use. So we can wait some minutes. During this time, I will tell you what parameters we can set on this display. First, we can see the currency. This is the pulse. This is the frequency. Yeah, you turn this one, it will increase. This one, it will decrease. And for the parameters, and we have a number here. For this program, you can set 100 different programs of different parameters on this screen. You can save them here, and this is the exist. Okay, after the letter normal come out, it means this whole welding machine is okay to use now. And this other button, you can see, you can change the language here. And then we go back to monitor. And here we have a light button. It means you can adjust the light spot size. This one is for increase, this one is for decrease. Okay, let's exist. And now we will show you the operations. Okay, I forgot one thing. Yes, this is the foot switch. When you press it with your foot, the laser light will come out. And this is the microscope. Yeah, you can see when you press it. Yeah, the light will come out. Okay, and this is the whole chief introduction of this operation.